Movie buffs are in for a treat as one of the country's annual film festivals goes hybrid again for this year's celebration. Now, the Q Cinema International Film Festival will screen movies both in a physical theater and online, and the event runs starting tomorrow. That's November 26th until December 5th. To tell us more about it, we have Ed Lejano. Now, he's the festival director of Q Cinema. Good morning to you, Ed. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning, Christina, and thanks for having me back.
Well, congratulations to you. Ano bueno mano ba to? I mean, this is such a big deal for the film industry. Because for one, we can actually go to the cinema. You are opening the doors for those who want to experience watching films, as I said earlier, in a cinema, and at the same time, we can still watch it online. Tell us a little bit about this setup of yours.
We're actually the guinea pig because we're actually the first international film festival to return to our theaters after almost 2 years since the pandemic. So we're like jump-starting the festival experience now that theaters are bouncing back. And wow, it was quite a challenge because we only got the go signal to go full throttle when theaters was announced to be reopening. And we had to pivot right away. We had plans to just do it on open air theaters. But since the announcement, we pivoted right away to theatrical and also streaming.
That's right. I mean, you guys were prepared for anything. I mean, if in case cinemas did open, tara, let's go for it. As you said, let's jumpstart and do this. Now, we also understand that you do have the diverse and amazing lineup of movies for this year, and that goes for both locals and international. What are the films that will be shown in the theaters and, of course, online? Tell us a little bit more about that because, are they the same? Can I watch both online and in theaters?
We actually have two different lineups in our on-site theatrical venue, which is Gateway Cinema. We have an impressive big array of theaters at only 150 pesos, and another set of lineup at KTX platform, also at the same price, and it represents our edgier programming for the online lineup.
Okay,
and
so
we open yes.
Go ahead.
We open tomorrow with Memoria. With Tilda Swinton, directed by the acclaimed Thai director Apichatpong Weerasethakul. And it's his first English language film, won a Best Screenplay Award at the Cannes Film Festival. And it will have two other screenings at Gateway. Most titles will have 3 screenings at Gateway.
Okay, and I'm sure we can get the whole lineup online. Tell us a little bit more about how you curated the film for this festival. I understand that you were so hands-on in doing this. I mean, what were you looking for in terms of what film you wanted to bring here to the cinemas?
Well, it's no accident that they're all award winners, and some are Asian premieres, some are Southeast Asian premieres, and they come from Venice, Locarno, San Sebastian, Cannes, and Berlin. It's not cheap. It's not a budget meal. And it's a one-man programming for me this year. So it's like a year-long process of choosing and eliminating some titles. But we tried to be diverse and edgy at the same time for both theatrical and streaming.
And for the first time, we understand also since this was founded way back in 2013, Q Cinema will actually have 2 short programs this year. We have the QC Shorts and the Asian Shorts. Tell us a little bit more.
Yes. QC Shorts will be our main competition for this year. And these are the 6 short films that we produced. We gave them grants after a selection process of the scripts. And it will be ready for a world premiere this Saturday. And these are awesome, most promising filmmakers from our very own. And also we have Asian shorts, which are the promising and new titles from Southeast Asia that we curated, and they come from different festivals also that have won awards.
I mean, I think as viewers, we've become experts in terms of watching a lot of these films, online, right? Actually, it's like all of you guys have kept us alive and entertained us during this whole pandemic. How can we continue to enjoy the festival? How can we participate?
Oh, yes. So, with the discounted tickets of 150 pesos, you can purchase tickets online for our gateway screenings. And also, you can purchase tickets online via the KTX platform. So, this is like a booster shot to all that Q Cinema is back. Even though even last year we did have another hybrid edition, but more scaled down. But this year we're doing baby steps. We're starting modestly with just 2 cinemas in Gateway, and you can watch also from the comfort of your homes nationwide via KTX.
Ed, briefly before I let you go, just the protocols when it comes to watching movies in the cinemas. Do I have to book in advance? Tell us a little bit more about that as well.
You can book tickets in advance via the Gateway Cinema ticketing platform. And there are stringent safety protocols that we adhere to. And now that numbers are down for COVID and vaccination rates are going up, things are looking good for us for the theatrical experience. So we're super spreading nothing but good cheer for movie lovers out there with our hybrid setup for our 9th edition.
Well, thank you so much for jump-starting this all for us. We wish you all the best, Ed, and congratulations to Q Cinema. Thank you so much for joining us this morning right here on New Day.